Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new topic. So the name of the topic is famous hill stations. There are many hill stations located all over India. Hill stations are mostly located on the top of the mountains. That's why they are called as hill stations. And tourists mostly visit hill stations for the adventures and also to feel the cool weather. Mostly hill stations, they are always in a cool weather, that is always with a snowy weather. So things that grow in the hill stations are like tea, coffee, rubber plant, and even a variety of spices. So today we are going to learn few names of the hill stations of India. Now we will see the first hill station, that is Darjeeling Hill Station. So Darjeeling, it is a town and a municipality in the Indian state of West Bengal. So Darjeeling, it has a hill station which has the same name as a variety of tea grown here. So it is mostly famous for its tea industry. And it is also known for its views of the Kangchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain. So it is in Darjeeling. Also, the Darjeeling tea is internationally recognized and it ranks among the most popular black teas in the world. Darjeeling, it also has several British style private schools and it is also one of the best tourist destination in India. So Darjeeling, this hill station, it has a name and as a variety of tea grown here, so it is very famous for tea. So here the hill station is always with a cool weather. So Darjeeling, it is always with a cool weather. Now we'll see the next one, that is Srinagar hill station. So it is the summer capital of the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir, and Srinagar is situated in the Kashmir Valley on the banks of the Jhelum River, which is also a tributary for the ancient Indus River. So Srinagar, it is a very famous and attractive place in India, and the hill station, it is surrounded with it's spread with beautiful lakes, beautiful valleys, greenery locations and snow-capped areas. The most beautiful tourist attraction is the beautiful lakes and the houseboats inside the lake. And even on the western slope of the hill, there is a location of Parvati temple, and on the southern face there is a Muslim shrine of Khawaja Maktoum Sahib. Because of its beautiful lakes surrounded, it is also called as the City of Lakes, and it is also a mostly a tourist attracted place. Now we'll see the next hill station, that is Mount Abu. Mount Abu, it is a hill station in the Aravalli range. It is in the district of Rajasthan state in western India near the border with Gujarat. So here the mountain, it is formed because of a rocky plateau 22 km long, wide, and the highest peak on the mountains, it is called as Guru Shikhar. So this hill station, this mountain, it is also home to several Hindu temples. There are also many temples built in the hill stations. It is also a home to a number of Jain temples. There is also a fort as well as lake here in the hill station. So this is the only hill station, that is Mount Abu. It is the only hill station that is found in Rajasthan. Now we will see the next hill station, that is Ooty hill station. So it is also called as Udagi, and it is popularly known as Ooty. It is a town and a municipality in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, and it is located 86 km north of Coimbatore and 128 km south of Mysore, and it is a headquarters of the Nilgiris district. So it is a popular hill station located in the Nilgiri Hills. Here the town is located by the Nilagiri Ghat roads and Nilagiri Mountain Railway. Its natural environment attracts tourists and it is a popular in the during the summer destination. Here the economy, it is based on tourism and agriculture and also manufacture of medicines, and it is also a very famous for the photographic and films. So it is a beautiful place. The local people here call the Nilagiri as Queen of Hills, and it is also a famous tourist destination, and as it is a World Heritage, Nilagiri Mountain Railway is located in this hill station. Now we'll see the next one, that is Mathran Hill Station. It is a hill station and a municipal council in Karjat Tahsil in the Raigad district, that is in the Indian state of Maharashtra. So Mathran, it is a part of the Mumbai metropolitan region and it is one of the smallest hill stations in India. It is located on the Western Ghat at the range at an elevation of around 2625 feet above sea level. Mathran, it means forest on the forehead. It is an eco-sensitive region, so it is a eco-friendly region. It is also said that it is Asia's only automobile-free hill station, that is, vehicles are not allowed at this station. There are also many viewpoints at this hill station like Tree Hill Point, Heart Point, Monkey Point and Rambagh Point. There are also a huge number of medicinal plants and herbs found in the Mathran, and even forestry and wildlife are also found in large number in Mathran. So it is a hill station which is the smallest hill station in India and it is a very eco-friendly hill station. Now we'll see the next hill station, that is Shimla. It is also known as Simla. It is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. There are also 7 different beautiful hill stations that is built on 7 different hills, and the highest point in Shimla is the Jaku Hill, and Prospect Hill, it is in western Shimla and has a Kamna Dev temple on the top of this hill station. And also the beautiful Samar Hill, it has a Himachal Pradesh University campus. It is about 2100 meters above sea level. Also there is a observatory hill, that is the ridge from Samar Hill. The next hill in lines, it is the observatory hill. Because of its beautiful climate and the beautiful nature, the British has called it as the Queen of Hill Station. So the British called Shimla as the Queen of Hill Stations. There are also natural ice skating in Shimla, which is mostly attracted for the tourism. So it is one of the most beautiful place and adventurous place, and it is also called as the Queen of Hill Stations. We will see the next hill station, that is Mussoorie Hill Station. It is a hill station and a municipal board in the Dehradun district of the Indian state of Uttarakhand, and it is about 35 kilometers from the state capital of Dehradun and 290 kilometers north of the national capital of New Delhi. The hill station is in the foothills of the Garhwal Himalayan range. It is also an average altitude of 2005 meters to the northeast, and there are Himalayan snow ranges to the south. It is also famously known as Queen of Hills. So the beautiful city Mussoorie, it is situated at the height of 1880 meters with green hills and fresh environment. It is most popularly famous for hill stations, And also there is a famous cable car services which is available at these hill stations, which attracts tourism. So Mussoorie, it is a famous and one of the best hill stations in India. Now we'll see the next hill station, that is Nainital. So Nainital, it is a popular hill station in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is the judicial capital of Uttarakhand. Nainital, it is located in the Kumaon foothills of the outer Himalayas at a distance of 285 km from the state capital Dehradun and 345 km from New Delhi. And it is situated at an altitude of 1938 meters above sea level. So the city is set in a valley containing an eye-shaped lake. So it has an eye-shaped lake. So there is a mountain which has the highest, that is Naina Peak, which is on the north. And from the tops of the higher peaks, very beautiful, magnificent views can be obtained from the vast plain to the south. Also, the snowy range which forms the central axis of the Himalayas, it is also a hill station attracts for the tourist, where every year it can be found. There is also a Naini Lake which is very famous. So the hill station has the same name as it is as its famous lake, Naini Lake. And Naini Lake, it has too low level of oxygen at the bottom layer. So Nainital hill station, it is a very attractive hill stations, and tourists every year, a lot of tourists visit this place. Now see the exercise part. In the exercise part, you have to name the hill stations using the given clue. So they have given the images with the clue. So see the first one. It is also called the City of Lakes. So this place, it is also called, this hill station, it is also called the City of Lakes, that is Srinagar. So you can write first one Srinagar. See the second one. The British called it the Queen of Hill Stations. So this hill station was called as the Queen of Hill Stations. So it is called Shimla. So second one you can write Shimla. Now see the third one. This hill station has the same name as its famous lake. So this hill station also has the same name as of this famous lake. So that is Nainital. So you can write third one Nainital. Now see the fourth one. A famous cable car service is available in this hill station. So here it has a famous cable car services. So this hill station, it is called as Mussoorie Hill Station. So you can write Mussoorie Hill Station. Now see the fifth one. That is, this hill station has the same name as a variety of tea grown here. So it has a name as a variety of tea plant are grown here. That is Darjeeling. So you can write fifth one Darjeeling. Now see the sixth one. The World Heritage Nilgiri Mountain Railway is located in this hill station. So the famous Nilgiri Mountain Railway station is located here. That is sixth one is Ooty. So you can write Ooty. Now see the seventh one. This is the only hill station in Rajasthan. So there is only one hill station in Rajasthan, and this is that hill station. So it is called as Mount Abu. So you can write Mount Abu. Now see the eighth one. It is called the most eco-friendly hill station of India, and it is also one of the smallest hill station in India. That is Matharan, which is in Maharashtra. Now see the next part, that is write if the statements are true or false. So we will see first one. Hill stations are located in low-lying places. No, hill stations are always at the top, that is on the mountain ranges. So it is not located in low-lying place. It is always on the high-lying places. That's why first one it is false. So you can write first one false. Now see the second one. There are hill stations in other parts of the world. Yes. Now today we have seen only hill stations of India. So there are also hill stations in different parts of the other world. So you can write second one true. See the third one. People visit hill stations mainly in winter. So people visit Not only in winter, people mostly prefer to visit hill stations during summer time. So you can write false. People visit hill station mostly in during winter. Now see the fourth one. Most hill stations in India enjoy good weather in summer. Yes, that is very true. That is mostly hill stations are always with cooler weather. That's why when other places are during the summer, when other places are very hot, hill stations are always with cool. So most hill stations in India enjoy good weather in summer. So fourth one you can write true. Fifth one, walking is a popular pastime in hill stations. Yes, truly it is a passing time. So walking it is a very good at the hill station. So you can write true. Now see the sixth one. Most people go to hill stations to shop at big shopping malls. It is very false. There are no shopping malls at the hill stations. People come to the hill station to see the views, to enjoy the beauty of nature, also to see the new, very attractive places. So I think so, children, you have understood names of the famous hill stations. Okay, how to learn the name of the hill stations. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.